Right, hi there, I'm here to do a bit of a review of the new Acer Iconia, around the other way, tablet, PC, which is currently running Honeycomb, which is the newest Android system, and of course supports full flash. This is currently what the screen looks like, just getting it on my iPad, slightly ironic, filming it on an iPad, but so that's roughly how it looks like, and just want to show that quite a lot of the web applications which can't run on an iPad do indeed run on this. So Education City for a start, you click start and it does load. Now I have used this on an iPad using iPuffin and it doesn't really work very well. The sound is a bit off, but let's try maths because maths is a bit more fun activity. As you can see, quite nice and responsive. Captain Cod, played that one a few times. Choose your level and away you go. It's going to start logging in, and it should also play the music, the irritating music that we all teachers love, and there's no delay, and there's no delay on the audio, which is really good, which before when I've seen this on an iPad the delay is dreadful. So make the smallest number, I'll quickly prove this bit works. And so smallest number, let's test my maths, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. Yay, there you go, I've won. And this is in whiteboard words, so let's continue. So that's just one of the things, it does indeed work. Let's just try a different link I've got saved. I'm just going to close this window down. I've also got Purple Mash chosen. I did try running about 3 of these all at once and didn't really like it, but one at a time seems to be better. So this is Purple Mash. Now not everything on Purple Mash works well because it is designed for a bigger screen, but let's just look at one of the free activities straight away. Advert writing for eBay. Here we go, create a toy advert, click OK. So here we've got our text box. When we click you can type into it, which is absolutely brilliant. Get rid of that to get rid of the text. We can drag on our pictures. We can resize them in just the same way as we normally do. That's got our pen tool, and the pen tools work fairly well. And you can also do some shapes as well. Whoops, I just clicked on the text box there, which is why that didn't work. And you got the shapes in. So actually it works fairly well. Not everything works, to be fair, you'll have to play around with it, but a good proportion of Purple Mash works fairly well, and of course then you can save online assuming you're logged in. So that's really great. Let's just go back. So that's Purple Mash, done Education City, and the last one, which is one which a few people have mentioned before, is Busy Things, which is a great resource on LGFL, which if I've logged in right I should have it linked. If you go to lgfl.com there's launch Busy Things. And of course it's going to error because I'm in my house, so I'm just going to quickly log in. So I'm just going to take this off screen so you can't see my username and password. Look at my nice Tron mug. But even this seemed to work fairly well. Now the question is this the best device instead of an iPad? Because we've been having this debate quite a lot in my games network, in the Redbridge Games Network, and you know what's best. And to be honest, this is winning out for me because I think it just runs more of the stuff we're used to, so we don't have to learn as much new stuff, but it's still got the potential to be just as sort of possibly transformational in terms of learning, because you've still got all the apps, and quite a lot of the apps now which were only on the App Store for iPad now exist on this as well. Almost the apps are exactly the same. So just really quickly, problem solving, let's do a bit on calculating, and let's choose this one. I'm not a I don't know anything's anywhere near as everyone else. So you've got to watch the little guys do something. 1 less than 3 is 2. And so now he goes along and does it, and it works fine. So I can see using this in groups, in small groups, for 2 or 3 people having these. You can use these without a computer. It's really nice, really touch sensitive, so it really works. There are other things out there which you can definitely use, but just to go back to the main screen, you can install quite a lot of the main apps. You've got the Android market is sort of fully functional. So there's plenty of educational apps, some great, some probably fairly terrible, like the standard App Store. Something for people to investigate. But even though I've found a couple of quick mental maths games, times tables, random times tables from 5 times to 10 times, quick start, and they have to play the game. It's not amazing, but it's something that kids can just get on with, which is quite nice. So there are plenty of things out there, and there's plenty of very clever apps which might be well worth looking at. And equally, one of the issues a lot of people looked at with Android devices about proxy settings. There is an app called AnyCut, which allows you access to the proxy settings on this. Most phones still don't have proxy settings, but on Honeycomb you've got it, and you can indeed make it work on a home network, on a school network. Hopefully that will prove a few bits for people, and might make them consider looking at the Acer Iconia, which definitely the Redbridge games are going to take a look at. Thanks a lot. Bye.